Okay, guys, the cue for the demolition is when I lower my hand like this, okay?
Yes, sir.
Look, guys, we got one shot at this. Let's get it right.
Okay.
Okay, Kenny, let's go.
All right. Places, everybody. Marty. Look, I just spoke to Clutterbuck on the phone. He says if we don't wrap this location today, it's your neck.
No problem. All we have left is to blow up the fort.
Okay. Great.
Okay, Ken, let's go.
All right, Carol. Earl. All right, stand by.
You. Yes, you. You get off of my set and get out of my picture. Off. Out. You're through. You're washed up. You're finished. I'll see to it you never make another movie again.
Did that include television, sir?
I'll kill him. I'll kill him.